In a jungle green and wide lived a monkey full of pride. He would jump from tree to tree, dreaming what the world could be. Every night he watched the sky, stars were shining way up high. Moon was glowing big and bright, calling Monkey every night. Monkey said, I want to go to the place where star winds blow. I will fly beyond the moon, I will reach the stars real soon. Birds all laughed and said, oh no, monkeys cannot fly, you know. But the monkey smiled so wide. I will try, he said with pride. Next day early in the morn, Monkey found some metal torn, old machines near farmer's land. Monkey had a clever plan. He would build a rocket ship, take a long and flying trip. With some wires, nuts and glue, Monkey worked the whole day through. Hammer tapping, tools go clang, jungle heard the noises bang. Elephants came walking slow, what are you making? Tell me, bro. Monkey said, come wait and see, soon I'll fly above the tree, past the clouds and past the sky, like the birds that always fly. Tiger came and lion too, all the animals formed a crew, helping Monkey build it fast, working hard till day was past. Rocket shiny, tall and bright, painted red and painted white. Monkey jumped and clapped with cheer, my big launch day now is here. Helmet made from coconut, suit from cloth the tailor cut. Boots were big and gloves were tight. Monkey looks that one he sighed. All the jungle gathered around, every creature made a sound. 3, 2, 1, parade pride. Monkey sat himself inside. The rocket roared so loud, smoke went high into the cloud. Up it flew into the blue, past the birds and airplanes too. Monkey felt his body shake, but his courage did not break. Soon the earth looked small and round, floating slowly without sound. Monkey laughed, oh, what a view! Sky is black and stars are new, planets shining far away. This is such a magic day. Suddenly he saw the moon, big and silver like a spoon. Rocket slowly landed there, Monkey jumped into the air. But oh no, he could not fall, he was floating like a ball. Low gravity made him light, Monkey laughed in great delight. Jumping high and spinning round, no strong pulling to the ground. He could fly without a wing, space was such a funny thing. Then he saw light so green, strangest thing he'd ever seen. Little aliens came near, Monkey froze a bit in fear. Aliens smiled and waved hello, friendly monkey, do not go. We have watched you from afar, bravest monkey, space superstar. Monkey bowed and shook their hand, happiest in all the land. They gave him fruit that glowed in blue, sweetest fruit he ever knew. Aliens showed their flying car, faster than a shooting star. They went near a planet red, dust was flying overhead. Then they passed by Saturn's ring, such a shiny golden thing. Monkey said, I must go back. Jungle friends are on my track. They will wait for me all day. I should not be far away. Aliens waved and said goodbye. Come again and visit Sky. You are brave and you are smart. You have got a space explorer heart. Monkey flew his rocket home. Through the stars he loved to roam. Soon the earth was big again. Fields and rivers, hills and rain. Rocket landed with a boom near the jungle bamboo room. Animals began to cheer. Monkey, monkey, you are here. Elephant danced, lion roared. All the jungle clapped and soared. Monkey told his spacey tale, every jump and every trail. From that day the jungle knew dreams can really all come true. If a monkey brave can try, anyone can touch the sky. So remember, little friend, dreams can fly without an end. Work and try and you will see you can be what you can be. Stars are waiting in the night, shining with their silver light. Maybe you will fly there too. Space is calling just for you.